the service sector, we now shift our focus to the Make in India engine. The manufacturing sector is currently undergoing a massive transformation through Industry 4.0 and global supply chain realignments. Today, we examine how management accountants are the primary drivers of strategy and sustainable value in this evolving landscape. It is my distinct honor to invite our esteemed guests for panel discussion 2, Manufacturing, to join us on stage. May I first invite our distinguished panelist, CMA Anil Jerath, Director Finance, BEML Limited. Next, I invite our esteemed panelist, CMA Channa Basavaraja, Vice President, Strategic Initiative, Tech Mahindra. Now, I invite our moderator, CMA N. Ravindranath Kaushik, Management Consultant. I invite CMA Vinay Ranjan P., Council Member, ICMAI, and CMA Vishwanath Bhatt, Regional Council Member, Southern India Regional Council, to grace the dais. At ICMAI, we believe in growth that is both resilient and sustainable. As a symbol of this commitment, we would like to welcome our guests with a sapling. I request CMA Vinay Ranjan to welcome CMA Anil Jerath with a sapling. I now request CMA Vishwanath Bhatt to welcome CMA Channa Basavaraja with a sapling. I myself would like to take this opportunity to welcome CMA Ravindranath Kaushik with a sapling. To formally set the context for this session, I now invite CMA Vinay Ranjan P., Council Member, ICMAI, to deliver the welcome address.